Today I am having a party, and as you see, everybody happy. Is happy or happy? You know that we use is with singular subjects, only one, like a boy, a cat, a school, only one. But are comes with plural, two and more, boys, cats, schools. In the question here I have everybody. Is it singular or plural? Only one or more? Well, keep watching because I'm gonna surprise you now. When you see these in the sentence, anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, somebody, someone, something, these are all singular pronouns, only one. And they take verbs like is, was, has, plays, sleeps, with s in the end, which means that everybody here in the question is singular. It seems plural, like I mean all the people in the party, but it's not plural, it's singular. It takes is. Surprise, isn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Gymnastics, really challenging. Is or are? What do you think, guys? Listen, gymnastics ends in s, but it's a singular word. It takes is. Gymnastics is really challenging. And gymnastics is a sport like football. So I'm gonna tell you some words that end in s, but they're actually singular words in most cases. Like news. This word ends in s, but it's a singular word. We say the news is, not are. Mathematics, physics, gymnastics, economics, politics. As you see, all these words end in s, but they're always singular nouns. We use them with singular verbs like is, not, are. You answer this one. The news, always challenging. Is or are? Let me know in the comments. Can you answer this question? There, blank, a book and a pen in my bag. There is or there are. Here we have two things. One, two. So you might think that are is correct, but it's wrong here. Why? Keep watching. Number one here says, there, blank, a book in my bag. Is, are. A book, only one thing, so is. There is a book in my bag. There, blank, 5 books in my bag. Is, are. 5 books, plural, takes are. There are 5 books in my bag. What about this? There, blank, a book and a pen in my bag. This, guys, is a list of things. We choose there is or there are here based on the first word, a book. Only one, so is. There is a book and a pen in my bag. I don't care about the pen here. Might be surprising to you, but this is one of the not so logical rules in English grammar. There, blank, books and pens in my bag. Here also we have the list of things. So we follow the first word, books, plural, so are. There are books and pens in my bag. Have you learned something new today? Let me know in the comments. The king, blank, visit Canada. Is to. Is followed by ing. Is to is followed by the base verb. Visit is the base verb, so we use is to here. The king is to visit Canada. And it means the king will visit Canada. The rule here is to or are to, they mean will, and sometimes they mean must. In this example, the king is to visit Canada means he will visit Canada. Students, blank, wear uniforms. Is to, are to. Students, plural, more than one student, so it takes are. Students are to wear uniforms. And wear uniforms here shows that this is an order, so are to here means must. Students are to wear uniforms means students must wear uniforms. You answer this one. You, blank, drive fast. Is not to drive fast or not to drive fast? What does you take? Is or are? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.